Hi, it's Tony Kenny from C3 Education. I'm just at the San Diego conference at TDWI. I'm here with Jonathan Geigero, who's going to come out in October to sort of teach project management, program management best practices. And I thought I'd sort of take the opportunity to sort of have a chat to him to see what the content and what people might actually learn about it. So, John, do you want to give me a quick update on the overview of the course and what people might be able to learn out of it?
Thank you, Tony. And basically, we're looking forward to having the offering. It's a track oriented towards managers because there are several things that a manager in a BI environment needs to have the ability to do. The starting point is the ability to manage the overall program. And so there is a course on program management. It will get into some of the BI competency center issues or center of excellence issues and how to make sure that there is a holistic view taken for the overall program. We then go into a project management orientation because within the overall program, the work is actually accomplished with individual projects. And so the project manager needs to be able to manage the resources, the people involved, as well as the other resources, and needs to determine what methodology to apply and how to apply it. The overall environment is affected by how data is managed within the company, and so we address data governance. And in the data governance area, we deal with some of the cultural issues, as well as the respective roles of some of the business positions, the data stewards, the data owners, and the information technology positions in terms of the data custodians. The overall data governance program consists of about 20 different pieces, and we will be describing all the various pieces. And then finally, the last piece we'll talk about how the business intelligence, or specifically information technology group, needs to interact with the business areas in order to achieve the best synergy and provide the best value to the company.
So one of the key trends I actually see in these conferences when I come to them are the big agile track. So do you cover sort of across how Agile sort of mixes up with the traditional SDLC?
Agile is becoming extremely popular in the world of business intelligence, as well as in other areas of development. And it has a major advantage over SDLC in terms of its delivery time. SDLC, the traditional systems development life cycle, is rarely used within BI, but there are still a number of optional techniques that can be used which are more linear in nature than Agile. In the project management course, we will be examining several of them and providing the people attending with an ability to say, under which conditions should I choose which technique, which methodology, and potentially how to intermix them within the realm of an overall project.
Excellent. So you've actually probably been in this space for quite a while, haven't you? Do you want to maybe give me a bit of a background on your experience in BI and sort of project management?
All right. Well, I've actually been involved in business intelligence for 23 years. I started in the late 1980s. I headed up a group at Florida Power and Light Company in Southeast Florida that was charged with implementing our initial data warehouse as well as data administration, the repository services, and data modeling. So I was the program manager and wore multiple hats. So I was also the project manager and then facilitated the development of the data models as well as the resources to do so. I left the company about 6 years later and entered the consulting world, and since then have been in over 100 different companies, either doing education or helping them establish their program or monitoring it as it's going along.
Okay, excellent. Well, thanks for your time. So the courses are running in end of October to this year. So if you want any more information, go to www.twi.org/Australia. And we look forward to having you out there.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it as well.